Stromboli has erupted in the Italy. This is in the southern part of the Italy, and it's an isolated volcano in a sense. This one was relatively small, but it had visible lava. It didn't have much pyroclastics, or we didn't see much of it anyway. Some fountain, in the Strombolian style, and yeah, a few also later in the day when it was subsiding, we saw some, pyroclastic activity, a little bit, not much, but most of it was in the Sierra Fuoco. Sierra, in that sense, probably is very similar to the word desert, Sahara in Arabic, which means the kind of barren area of the volcano it was. And Fuoco means central or focal, and that was somewhere that focal or central in that area, which was barren, didn't have any plant or anything. That makes it very fresh. In that sense, the surface has not been long enough exposed to the atmosphere to let the plants and the living organisms take root in it. So this is the scene from a distance, as you can see from the sea. We are looking at that, and these are the ones that you can see. This is a valley, actually. This is a canyon, like the one we see in the Sciara volcano. This is a tectonic map up the world, and we zoom on this Mediterranean area. You see the African plate is pushing against the Eurasian plate, creating these pimples, which we call volcanoes, in the earth crust. The movement of the African plate toward the Eurasian plate is marked here. As you can see also, this is the way that they are depicted. And they have a relatively deep root, and they erupt occasionally when the push is reach the shop, as we call it.